Could a naturally occurring element in apples that become juice pose a health concern? Television show host Dr. Mehmet Oz is suggesting that trace amounts of arsenic in apple juice should have parents worry.
There's been a huge shift in where our apples come from. 60% of the apples used in apple juice in America come from overseas. We have been so careful about taking arsenic out of our water supply, about not allowing pesticides to have it, in order to keep our kids safe and keep our families safe. But that's not true overseas. They've been using arsenic and pesticides far longer than we have there.
Experts say Dr. Oz used lab tests that were not appropriate. The Food and Drug Administration says its own tests showed much lower arsenic levels.
The science shows that apple juice is safe and people should not worry. Dr. Oz used the wrong laboratory test, he got the wrong results, he drew the wrong conclusions, and is using them to scare moms. I think that's irresponsible.
Arsenic is a naturally occurring element. In its organic form, like in apple juice, it is considered non-toxic. Inorganic arsenic found in pesticides can cause concern at high levels over a long time. The testing Dr. Oz did was for total arsenic, and the show says it does not agree organic arsenic is as safe as the FDA believes. But should you keep drinking apple juice?
I guess, gosh, if there's any trace amounts, we would be concerned and I'll probably follow up and look to see for more studies.
There's no question in my mind folks should continue drinking apple juice. I'm not worried about acute toxicity. There have been no cases at all of kids being harmed.
The Dr. Oz show says it will do more tests. The FDA says parents have nothing to fear.
I work with young children and they receive apple juice. So now that you have just said it to me, I'm going to be concerned and look up for it.
A potential food fight over what goes into what we eat. Lee Powell, The Associated Press.